Hey guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today we're going to talk about the LokLik iEngrave and do a quick unboxing. This is a very inexpensive laser engraver and great for anyone who's wanting to begin a laser engraving side hustle, business, or just a hobby for some fun. We'll do a quick unboxing so I can show you all the material that comes inside the box with the iEngrave, and then also how to put it together quickly so you can start practicing. So I hope you enjoy this video and let's begin. So here's the unopened box of the LokLik iEngrave. As you can see, it's a pretty big box, but it was able to ship through the postal service. I want to take this time to give a quick shout out to LokLik for sending me this iEngrave to review. If you love the looks of this beginner engraver, I have an affiliate link down in the description below, so please click it and support my channel and LokLik. So first off, when you get the box open, you'll notice the instruction manual and then how well the LokLik iEngrave is packaged. We'll do the unboxing first and then go over the instruction manual here in just a few minutes. So let's take off the protective padding over the LokLik iEngrave and let's see what's inside. First off, we've got one pair of safety goggles. This is great to use while you're engraving to make sure that your eyes don't get injured by the high light beam of the engraver. Next up, we've got the LokLik laser module. So this is where all the output of power comes on that will engrave. Then we've got the power adapter and extension cable that'll plug up into any wall outlet. This will provide all the power to the laser. Next, we have a bag of a bunch of the smaller items. So there's multiple different items in this one little bag, such as the Wi-Fi module that'll screw onto the end of your engraver, a TF card and TF card reader. This will be needed to store memory on your engraver. This is something that you'll have to be able to use your engraver. Then we've got some different zip ties and then some wooden boards just for practice material, as well as a small wooden paintbrush and 3 different hex wrenches. Then we've also got a pair of safety keys. Make sure that you don't lose these because they're very important for you to have because you can't start your laser without them, and then a USB cable. Now let's pull out the frame of the laser engraver. The LokLik iEngrave is 18 inches by 18 inches and perfect for an in-home engraver who just wants to do this as a side hustle or maybe even a hobby. At a starting price of $4.99, this is the premier engraver for anyone who's just starting out, and I would recommend it to anyone who's wanting to start their laser engraving journey with step 1. So go check it out in my bio. So here's what everything looks like all set out. LokLik pretty much gives you everything that you need to start out. So now let's go over the user manual real quick. Once you open it up, it has quite a few different papers in it. The first page here is a LokLik welcome guide, just thanking you for your purchase. The second page just tells what was included in the box, pretty much as a material guide. Next up, we have a precaution sheet, which also has some QR codes that you can scan and find out some more information. Then we've got the warranty on the back of the blue page. And lastly, we have the instruction manual. Now it's time to cut off those white zip ties. These things are kind of a pain in the butt, so be sure you have some sharp scissors. Once you get all the zip ties cut and removed, then you can move the arm of your laser up and down. Now it's time to insert the laser head module into the grooves on the arm extension of the engraver. Once I have that done, I can use the little knob on the right hand side to loosen or tighten the module, and then using the big black cord I can plug it into the top of the module head. And there you go, it's just about ready to start engraving. After we've got the laser module added, we can screw in the Wi-Fi module on the left side of the engraver. Just place it in the hole and screw it in like you would a normal screw. Make sure that once you've screwed it in tight, that the black piece is pointing up towards the sky. Then using the power adapter, we can plug in the engraver to the wall so that it has power, using the plug-in on the right-hand side of the engraver. Now let's start the engraver by inserting and turning the key, pulling the emergency stop, inserting the TF card reader into the little slot on the left-hand side near the power switch, and flipping the power switch. Once you hear that sound, you know you're ready to start engraving. So I hope you've enjoyed this video about the LokLik iEngrave. If you want some more information, I've got another video in the bio below that gives just a little bit more detail and an in-depth unboxing and review of the engraver, so go check that out. If you'd like to purchase the iEngrave, I've also got a link about it down in the bio, so please click on it and follow that link to start your laser engraving journey. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can continue making great laser engraving content for you guys. So thanks and happy engraving.